Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin.
Hydroponic home gardens have been growing, and some are beautifully designed. Just Vertical is a company co-founded by Kevin Jakiela, who has a master's degree in sustainability management. He taught at an indigenous community in the Canadian Arctic and got a first-hand look at food insecurity. About what Just Vertical enables.
We have a little germination seedling kit. You plant the seeds, let it grow for about 2 to 3 weeks, and then you transplant those little pods right into the system itself, and then you let it grow. You don't touch it from there.
The design is impressive too, looking good almost anywhere in the home or apartment. Pricing starts at about $600, but the investment can pay for itself over time, delivering fresh, pesticide-free food. Find more at justvertical.com.
You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Cooking with the power of the sun. Hi, I'm Fred Fishkin, here to tell you about the latest innovation from my friend Patrick Sherwin and his great team at GoSun Stove. The GoSun Fusion has arrived using the company's tried and true reflectors and a solar vacuum tube to get you cooking without the mess of charcoal, heavy propane tanks, or smoke. A really bright idea. And with an optional solar panel and battery storage and the ability to plug in at home or on the road, you really can use the GoSun Fusion to cook anytime and anywhere, day or night, rain or shine. I love what Patrick and his team are doing, and so will you. Want to learn more? Head to gosun.co to check out all of the company's products and innovations and use the code Techstination to save 10%. That's gosun.co.